Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by confirming the correct measurement ID or tracking ID is installed on every page. Open your site and use Tag Assistant or the browser console to verify hit send in real time. Check for ad blockers or content security policy rules that may block analytics requests. Clear caches and test in an incognito window to isolate browser extensions. Remember that real-time reporting appears quickly, but full reports can take up to 48 hours to process. Verify whether you use GTag, JS Analytics, JS or Google Tag Manager for deployment. Confirm your GA4 property uses a measurement ID and Universal Analytics uses a tracking ID. If using Google Tag Manager, ensure tags fire and triggers are configured correctly. Inspect the data layer for properly structured event pushes and required parameters. Check custom scripts for JavaScript errors that prevent measurement calls from executing successfully. Check property and view filters to ensure they are not excluding valid traffic or internal IPs. Verify user permissions so you can access reports and debug tools without restrictions. Review linked products like Google Ads and Search Console for data sharing and import settings. Examine referral exclusion and cross-domain tracking settings to maintain accurate session continuity across domains. Finally, use server logs or network panels to confirm analytics requests. Receive 200 OK responses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.